Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is tulle flowers, and this video is going to go really fast. I picked this up from Amazing Woman's World. I will link them in the description below. They made some fabric flowers exactly the way, well, almost exactly the way I'm doing this. And this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 3-inch tulle from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need a hole punch for the back of the flowers. You're going to need some rhinestones. I picked up these rhinestones from the 99-cent store. However, you can find them at your local craft store as well in a different version. So grab your tulle and cut about 2 feet long and fold it in half. Grab some needle and thread and start weaving in and out the needle. And so this tulle is about 29 inches long. I just went over a little, but my original flowers that I made, and I posted this on Instagram as well, and they were 2 feet long, 24 inches. And so yeah, just weave it in and out. And when you don't even have to tie a knot at the end of your thread, because what I'm going to do is I'm gonna tie a knot afterwards once the tulle is weaved. So it does slide around a bit, but you know, I love the glitter tulle. I did do some in black which did not have glitter. However, you know, it's Halloween and I wanted to do some flowers that went with the season, and so I decided to create these. And yes, thanks to the video of Amazing Women World, I was able to do that. So here you see me grab one end of the thread and the other and tie a knot. And what you're doing is you're creating sort of like a scrunch ball, kind of like, you know, the ones you use in in the bathtub, you know. I forgot what they're called. Hello. But yeah, so just fix your flower after you're done. Snip off the excess thread, and then we're gonna add the rhinestone. And I picked black because of the season again. There's other rhinestones that you could put on, so many other more eye-catching than these ones. And so I'm gluing on the small circle on the back, and the reason I chose a very small one is so it doesn't show on the front side. So now I'm gluing on the rhinestone with some hot glue. If you'd like, you can use some E6000 for this and hot glue at the same time so it doesn't come off. And so there is the flower. And I did do a purple, however, I forgot to push record. And so there it is right there. And I made some other ones as well. And thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you'll create some, and I've given you inspiration. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.